Hello and welcome to another episode of the Tandem Trail. Today, Tanya and I are on Old Stage Road. We are heading towards Cripple Creek. Tanya has filmed from outside a couple of times, and the drone has been above us a few times as well, helping with the beauty shots. And Roger's top-mounted camera is catching as we go along and catching the forest breath from all its glory. It is early autumn in Colorado and the aspens are changing. That's great swaths of gold and rust nestled into the mountain slope. We love that about that. It's like pieces of the autumn that's been sprinkled across the mountain, and it's fantastic. The pines stand tall in their dark green coats, like sentinels watching the seasons shift. Roger, our Lexus LX470, is climbing slowly. You know, Roger is 23 years old, still steady, still sure-footed. He's got a 4.7 V8, and it's really good. That engine has 230 horsepower, steady, smooth. It's built for climbs like that. The seats are still comfortable, even after 23 years of wear. You know, we used it every day. The leather's earned every crease it has, and I'm powering devices through the old cigarette lighter. Not what it's made for, but I've never smoked a day in my life anyway. This road is steep, rough, quiet, and it's exactly how we like it because the serenity is fantastic. Tanya is standing by the road, camera steady as Roger climbs towards her. It's steep here, loose rock, uneven ground, but Roger moves with quiet certainty. There is no really rush because we stopped a couple of times to enjoy it. Just the rhythm of the trail, the sound of the tires on the gravel, and the trust between the three of us. She follows the climb, watching as Roger rounds the bend and disappears behind the trees. It's a moment that feels both grounded and cinematic, and we really like that. From above, the forest opens up. You can see the layers, the pine and the aspen, green and gold, stitched together by the trail. The road cuts through the mountains like a quiet thread, and Roger is just a dot on the distance. These aspens don't just mark the season, they carry it. They bring autumn from the inside out, like clouds of color tucked into the slopes. The drone floats and the forest hums and the trail awaits. Just look at that beauty. Look at those colors. Look at the aspens on the background of the dark green pine trees. It's fantastic. This isn't an off-road trail in the technical sense, or almost, in any sense. Yes, there is no pavement, but that's not an off-road trail. Regular cars with a little bit of more solid suspension can make it through just fine, especially if you have a car like that and if you're careful on the higher elevation sections. There are some rocks and things that you have to avoid, you have to be careful with. Potholes, ruts, washouts, but the road is very well maintained and it's really beautiful. And if you treat that road with respect, it will give you more than just a drive. It will give you that mountain experience we all love. Because roads like this don't just take you to the destination. They take you to the feeling of getting there, which is, a fantastic part of it. From the top of Roger, the road ahead is framed by trees and light. The aspens flicker gold, autumn is here, the pines hold their shape, the forest is alive, crickets, grasshoppers, and the soft crunch of gravel. The camera catches it all, the curve of the trail, the slope of the land, and the quiet beauty of Colorado in motion in the autumn. This is the view we carry with us, not just on screen, but in memory every day. We love those trails, and we love the autumn, and we love the trip, the feeling, because this is the Tandem Trail. That's what we like: slow climbs, quiet beauty, and the joy of being together and being present. We make these videos for you. You already know that. We make them with care and joy, and for the love of the trail, for the love of being together, for the love of the travel. And if this one spoke to you, we hope you like it, you share it with someone, and subscribe. You can leave a comment, that's the old stage road. We're going to Cripple Creek. We read all those comments, and they mean a lot for us. Thanks for riding with us, and bye till the next video. Yay!